Hi children, how are you? I think you all fine and safe at your home, right? I am Anuja from Bharatidasnar Matriculation High Secondary School, Arakonam. Today I am going to teach you an interesting topic in EVS. Okay, from class 2, term 2, subject is EVS and the topic is all about food. I think you all like this topic very much, right? I too like this topic very much. Okay. Okay children, what is food? Do you know what is food? Food is the very important basic need for all the living beings. Okay. Without food, we can't live in this world. Okay. It is the very important thing for all the living things. Okay children, why do we eat food? We eat food to get energy, to live, to grow, remain healthy and active. To live, to grow, remain healthy and active, we need food. Okay. Children, you know from where we get food? Yes, we get food from plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. From plants, we get fruits, vegetables, rice, pulses, etc. From animals, we get chicken, mutton, egg, milk. Okay, we get both from plants and animals. The next thing is, when do we eat children? We eat in the morning, in the afternoon and at night, right? We eat 3 meals in a day, right? See, in the morning we eat breakfast, in the afternoon we have lunch and at night we have dinner. Okay, these are the 3 meals we have in a day. Okay children. See, now we are going to see about healthy foods and its group. Okay, mainly the healthy foods are grouped into 3 types. One is energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Okay, first we see about energy giving food. The foods which rich in carbohydrates are called as energy giving food. What is mean by carbohydrate children? Carbohydrate is one of the important nutrient present in our food. Nutrient means what? Nutrient means in Tamil we used to say ஊட்டச்சத்துக்கள். சரிங்களா? சத்துக்கள்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நம்ம ஃபுட்ல நமக்கு என்ன வேணும்? சத்துக்கள் அதிக அளவில் இருந்தால் தான் நம்ம ஹெல்தியாக இருப்போம். சரிங்களா? Carbohydrate is one of the important nutrient. Okay. These energy giving foods gives us energy to work and play. Okay. It gives us instant energy to work and play. So we have to take energy giving food and we have to work hard. Okay. Now we see some examples of energy giving food. Okay. What is this children? This is rice. Very good. Rice is one of the very important energy giving food. See, it is a staple food for the large part of world's human population. Especially in Asia and Africa, people use rice as their staple food. Okay children. What is the next one? This is wheat. Okay. We use wheat to make puris, chapatis and biscuits. It will be very delicious, right? What is the third one? They are potatoes. Potatoes are vegetables rich in carbohydrates. It is also one of the energy giving food. With the help of potatoes, we can make many dishes, right? What is this? This is sugar. Okay. With the help of sugar, we can make many sweets. It is so sweet to eat, right? And the last one is butter. Butter is also rich in carbohydrate. All these food items are energy giving foods which gives instant energy to us. Okay children. Now shall we write the spelling of those energy giving foods? Okay. First one, rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. What is this? Wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. This is butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. This is potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. And the last one is sugar, S-U-G-A-R, sugar. Okay. Now we are going to see the second food group, that is bodybuilding foods. Bodybuilding foods means what? The foods rich in proteins are called as bodybuilding foods. Here proteins also one of the very important nutrient present in our food. Okay. Proteins are also called building blocks of our body. Why? Because it repairs our tissues. Okay. See, it helps us to make our bones and muscles very stronger. Okay. If you have the bodybuilding foods continuously, our bones and muscles will be very stronger. See, now we see some examples of bodybuilding foods. What is this, children? This is a glass of milk. What is this? This is fish. Eggs. And this is cheese. These food items are rich in proteins and they make our bones and muscles stronger. Okay. So, children, you should drink milk twice in a day. Okay. It will make your bones stronger. Okay. Shall we write the name of those food items now? What is the first one? Milk. M-I-L-K, milk. What is this? Fish. F-I-S-H, fish. This is eggs. E-G-G-S, eggs. This is cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Okay. We have some other examples also. Okay. Now we see that. See, this is cereals and pulses. These are also one of the bodybuilding foods. They also make our bones and muscles stronger, right? Okay, now we write some examples of cereals and pulses. What is cereals, children? Cereals are called தானியங்கள். In Tamil we used to say தானியங்கள். Cereals என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் தமிழ்ல? தானியங்கள். Pulses means பருப்பு வகைகள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். சரிங்களா? Now we see some examples of cereals and pulses. Cereals, C-E-R-E-A-L-S, cereals. Now we see some examples, okay? Rice, wheat, corn, barley are some of the examples of cereals. Okay, children? Shall we spell it? R-I-C-E, rice, W-H-E-A-T, wheat, C-O-R-N, corn, B-A-R-L-E-Y, barley. These are the examples of cereals. Okay, now we see the pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. See, some examples of pulses are red gram, black gram, green gram, and the last one is kidney bean. Okay, these are the examples of pulses. RED red, GRAM gram, red gram, BLACK black, GRAM gram, black gram, GREEN green, GRAM gram, green gram, and the last one KIDNEY kidney, BEAN bean, kidney bean. These are the examples of pulses. See, red gram, black gram, green gram and kidney beans. Okay, these are the examples of bodybuilding foods. Okay. Now we see the third group. Okay, what is the third group? Protective food. Okay, protective foods are rich in vitamins and minerals. Okay, they gives immunity to our body and it protects us from diseases. Why? Because nowadays we need more immune power to keep us healthy from diseases. Okay, we want to protect us from diseases by getting more immune power. Okay, by eating these protective foods we will be very healthy and we can save us from diseases. Okay. See, now we see some examples of protective foods. See, fruits and vegetables are examples of protective foods. Shall we write the spelling for that? Fruits, fruits. Vegetables. All these fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. So, they are the protective foods. Some examples of fruits are apple, orange, mango, banana, papaya. These are the examples. Then some examples for vegetables are brinjal, tomato, potato, carrot, beetroot. They are rich in vitamins and minerals. Okay. Now, next we see, now we saw many groups of foods. Okay. In the same way, we have to eat different types of food in our daily life, as well as we have to drink plenty of water. Okay children, we have to drink plenty of water to keep us hydrated always. You should drink 2 to 3 liters of water in a day. Okay children, then only you will be very healthy. Now we see about food pyramid. Okay, food pyramid means what? It is a diagram which places the healthy diet foods in a pyramid. Okay, it is called food pyramid. See, in this we come to know how much we have to eat all these food items. Okay, now I will tell you how much percentage we have to take all these foods in our daily life. Okay, see, these are the carbohydrate foods. We have to take 40% of this food in our daily meal. Okay, these are the fruits and vegetables. We have to eat 35% of these foods in our meal. Okay, and this is meat, milk products and some other things. Okay, we have to take 20% of these foods in our meal, and the last one is sweets, oil items. Okay, we have to take only 5% of these things in our meal. Okay, this is the food pyramid which help us to maintain a good health. Okay children, in this session we have discussed some food groups. Okay, in the next session we will discuss some other food groups. Okay, in the below description we have attached subject material, question bank and self assessment. Go through it and write it. Okay children, thank you, have a great day.